Hangzhou Avin Intelligent Technology Company Limited is a leading enterprise based in Hangzhou, Zhejiang. We specializing in the design and manufacturing of high-quality household appliances. We operate 4 advanced production lines, producing a range of products including foot massagers, foot spa bath massagers, neck massagers, gua sha massagers, and electric shavers with a daily output capacity of up to 5,000 units. Our 10,000 square meter facility is staffed by 100 dedicated professionals, including 4 research and development engineers with bachelor's degrees. With a strong focus on innovation and quality, we efficiently develop new products and maintain rigorous QA/QC standards. We offer extensive categorization options, including materials, labels, packaging, colors, sizes, logos, and graphics, ensuring tailored solutions for every client. Our annual production reaches approximately 1,650,000 units, and our products are widely distributed across Southeast Asia, Europe, North America, Eastern Asia, and the domestic market. Our team have 8 years of export experience, provide reliable after-sales service, and have built long-term partnerships with retailers, wholesalers, brand owners, and manufacturers worldwide. We are certified under international standards, including CE, RoHS, FCC-KC, UL, RCM, CB, LFGB, and REACH, reflecting our commitment to safety, quality, and environmental responsibility. We look forward to building a long-term and reliable partnership with you.